Hey, it's Brandon coming to you from Mills GM here outside of Detail. Today we're looking at a beautiful 2014 Ram Laramie. This is stock number 2G200205A. Nice, sweet Goodyear Wrangler tires here. As you can see, they got the nice black fuel wheels on here as well as black fender flares. Parking sensors all the way around in the front here as well. Fog lamps, of course. Nice bug guard, accents the little bit of chrome on it that it has. This is the 5.7 Hemi V8, of course, here. Super clean truck, has not been smoked in. Power seats on both sides that are heated and cooled, heated steering wheel. Big touchscreen, remote start, of course. And of course, you got a nice size sunroof in there as well. Back seats, you've got WeatherTechs, of course, you can see all around as well. Heat vents and quite a bit of space back there. Rams are known for their massive back seats. Some nice bed rails here. It is, of course, four-wheel drive. Nice tonneau cover, access tonneau cover, spray and bed liner as well here. Tow package, of course. Dual exhaust. This truck's got a beautiful look to it. Love the black on black here. Memory seats as well, of course, too. And it's at a nice price too. You can get a nicely equipped truck for around 20 grand. This is what you need right here. If you want to check this out, do so soon. Give us a call, 218-829-3504. You can also visit us worldwide at millsgm.com. Thanks for watching.